Fresh leaks around the upcoming Insta360 Luna Ultra suggest the company may be preparing a direct challenge to DJI's latest handheld gimbal cameras. Insta360 Luna Ultra live video leak confirms dual cameras, a wide-angle primary lens, and a dedicated telephoto lens. With 6x optical, 12x in-sensor zoom, the camera head and gimbal may be detachable, allowing for remote shooting or mounting in tight spots similar to the Insta360 Go series. Both lenses support 10-bit color depth, Dolby Vision HDR, and 4K recording at 240 frames per second slow motion, Deep Track 3.0 for AI-enhanced subject tracking. The Luna Ultra features a 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen with 1000 nits of brightness, weighs less than 150 grams. The Insta360 Luna Pro and Luna Ultra, co-engineered with Leica, reportedly equipped with a 1550 mAh battery, which is larger than current competitors, offering approximately 180 minutes of use. Officially previewed at the NAB Show 2026 in mid-April, it is expected to launch globally in late Q2 2026, with some reports specifically pointing to May 15, 2026. Industry analysts expect the Luna series to range between $499 and $699. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.